And lo and behold, I got low compression cylinder 6. So here we are. Got the head removed. Getting ready to replace the head, guys. They don't want us doing valve jobs. This can be repaired. Okay. Yeah, this is my old head. You can see I ended up using liquid because I didn't see the obvious crack in the exhaust valve like we usually. It's a seat issue, guys. The valve face and the valve seat, there's terrible relationship between those two. It could be a valve guide bent, but I haven't went inside the head. But yeah, I'm leaking. I was leaking here also, but I'm leaking here, and all the leak was coming past the out of the exhaust manifold, which lets me know that it's leaking past the exhaust manifold. Here we are. I got to get this going. Where's my new head is already prepped. Prep. When I say prep, I mean I got the parts transferred that I need. The tensioner. Just put tension on the timing chain guide. Now, guys, I know this look awkward or look unfamiliar to some of y'all, but yes, I did not remove the timing chain cover. Okay, I never removed the timing chain cover. Now this used to be like a top secret, but it's no longer a top secret. I don't remove the timing cover for either head. Okay, now do I suggest you do that? Absolutely not. Okay, no. You need to do this the right way your first time, your second time, and if there's more times, then you go from there. But I try to refrain from tutoring or teaching shortcuts. Shortcuts are meant to be learned on your own. You take some, you do it right the first time, you slowly convert it into a way that fits you or makes it easier for you, and you turn it into your own shortcut. Okay. Yeah, I never teach shortcuts. I try to teach you how to do it right first, and then we can proceed. Okay, because I know when you're working on commission, yes. But yeah. So I have my bungee cord. You see these little marks? These are the timing marks that's going to match up with the cam phaser. Y'all know how the basic engine operation goes. Your engine has to be in time, guys. All right, I'm just talking on this video, so please don't mind me. This is not a tutorial video of any kind. Okay, so I'm just gonna I'm just discussing what I'm doing. Let's call it like that. Now, head gasket. Remember I talked to you guys about really looking over the head gasket that come off of it. Okay, this could give clues or indication of problems. All right, this was not blown, not leaking, not anything. Just the mere fact that I'm replacing the head likely means I should put a new head gasket on it, right? Right. Okay, so that's where we at on that. And after I put the head on, yes, then the valve train goes on. I need to get I have some engine lube, guys. Never put on valve train parts on a dry cylinder head. If you don't have engine building lubrication, use oil. Yeah, just never do it dry. All right, so I'm talking too much. I'm gonna prop up the camera, guys. Let's get this thing. I might just what they call it when the video running fast. I might just time lapse it or something. But again, it's just a blog, whatever you want to call it. Just discussing what I'm doing. Some guys like to see this stuff, and I don't mind you seeing. So let me put this camera up. I got work to do, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I have the new head on, guys, but oh my goodness, for the life of me, I cannot find my engine lube assembly, engine assemble lube. Okay, yes, remember, guys, do not put any valve train parts on dry. Like I say, you can use oil, but no, I like to use engine assembly lube. Okay, I don't know where mine's at. So you know what? I'm out of here. Guys, hold tight. I'll be right back. No, as a matter of fact, y'all come go with me. Let's get it, man. Yeah. Oh man, that was quick. Didn't take long at all, guys. All right, look what I got. Who make this? Permatex. Okay, ultra slick engine assembly lube. That's what I need. All right, let's get this valve train lubed up and get it installed. All right, let's get it, man. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, it's running. That's right, guys. I had no doubt that it would run, guys. The thing is, let's just put a head on it. I'm gonna show y'all what I do after I'm done doing major engine repairs, such as this one. And this, guys, classifies major engine repairs. I just put a cylinder head on it. I had a misfire in cylinder 6. This engine is running smooth, no more misfire. Okay, yes, so, but there are some things you gotta do, guys. Remember, I just disrupted cam and crank relationship. Okay, I had this whole head off, so the computers essentially may have lost the position of the camshaft on bank 2. So what I need to do is relearn cam and crank. I'm going to show you guys how I go by cleaning the cam phasers. Remember, I didn't replace the cam phaser, I reused the current cam phaser. So I'm going to go through that procedure, and I'm going to go through the whole procedure on what I do after I'm done with engine repairs. All right, guys, it's not just simple as putting oil in it, putting cool in it. By the way, I bled it already, checking all the fluids, and then give it to the customer. No. These are electronically controlled vehicles. The transmission is electronically controlled. The engine is somewhat electronically controlled. So there's some things you have to do electronically in order to, you know, successfully complete this job. All right. So I've already done it. I filmed it, so I'm gonna relay that in a different video. So right now I'm done with the car, guys. I'm about to go test drive it and deliver it. That's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, man, and I will see y'all. Oh, steam clean. I'm going to steam clean the engine, guys. Y'all know me. I cannot deliver this car like this. My engine, my image is at stake. Look at that. Now, none of that dirt gonna be on there when I'm done, guys. That's how I pride my work, guys. I love what I do, so it might as well display it in the form of good work. All right, that's all I have.